Ajá. ¿No se muera? No. No. Ahí.
从高处再做个实验。那你要不要吃？我不要。
Right, spoiled milk explosion in 3, 2.
Hey, this raw!
And Coop has delivered undercooked salmon.
Oh my god!
Skip it up and that.
What kind of angle is this?
Under your car. There's something under there. There's something under that car.
Devastation.
Just got the new door. Pretty clean, if I do say so myself.
Duck this one. Water.
All right, bye. I'll see you next time.
Safe, okay?
Thank you. You too. All right, let's get into first.
Price of how durable these are. That shit. So durable. Like.
You guys are the best. I never thought I'd make it to retirement, but here.
Bruh, move! Why you always stay? Oh my god, bro.
Hey, do you want to go swimming?
Any last words? None.
Huh?
Give her my mobile. Damn, she going well.
And these cookies better be good as shit, bro. Alright, bro.